Hello friends, welcome to VTech Academy. Today in this presentation, we are going to discuss about numerically greatest term in the binomial expansion. First, let us write over here the standard binomial expansion for the term 1 plus x whole power n, and its expansion is nc0 plus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square plus so on plus ncn x power n. So in order to find the numerically greatest term of this expansion, the formula is given by n plus 1 into mod x divided by 1 plus mod x. And the value which we derive from this formula is denoted by m. So in order to find the numerically greatest term, make a note of 2 points. The first point here is, if the value of m is an integer, then we have two numerically greatest term, which is nothing but tm and tm plus 1. And if m is not an integer, then we have only one numerically greatest term, which is nothing but tm plus 1. Now let me explain this concept with the help of an example. So here we have to find the numerically greatest term of the binomial term 1 minus 5x whole power 12 when x is equal to 2 divided by 3. So first let us compare the given binomial term with the standard binomial term 1 plus x whole power n. So by comparing, we get n as 12 and the value of x would come as minus 5x. So let us substitute here the value of x as 2 divided by 3. So by substituting, we get minus 5 into 2 divided by 3. So on multiplying minus 5 and 2, we get minus 10 divided by 3, which would be the value for x. Now let us substitute the value of x and n in the formula. So on substituting, we get 12 plus 1 into mod x, and the value of x is nothing but here minus 10 divided by 3 whole divided by 1 plus mod x, which is nothing but minus 10 divided by 3. That implies we get here 12 plus 1 as 13, and then we have minus 10 divided by 3, which is enclosed in mod, and we know that any negative value which is enclosed in modulus symbol would get a positive value. So we get here 13 into 10 divided by 3 whole divided by 1 plus 10 divided by 3. And here by multiplying 13 and 10, we get 130 divided by 3 whole divided by, and in the denominator by taking LCM as 3, we get in the numerator 3 plus 10 divided by 3. So we can cancel over here 3 and 3 in the numerator and denominator. Then we get the remaining values as 130 divided by 13. On simplifying, we get 13 1 times is 13 and 13 10 times would be 130, which would come as 10. And 10 is nothing but m here, and we know that if m is an integer, then we have two numerically greatest terms, which are nothing but tm and tm plus 1. And tm would come as here t10 and tm plus 1 would be t10 plus 1. Now let us find the value of t10, that is the 10th term. So we can write t10 as t9 plus 1. So in order to find the value of t9 plus 1, we have the formula tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. Now let us replace here the values of n, x and y. So we get here 12c9 into the value of x is here 1 whole power n minus r, which is nothing but 12 minus 9. And we have the value of y as x, which is nothing but minus 10 divided by 3 whole power 9. So this would come as minus 12c9 into the value of 1 whole power 12 minus 9 would be 1 into 10 divided by 3 whole power 9. Now let us find the value of t10 plus 1. So here by substituting the values, we get 12c10 into 1 whole power 12 minus 10 into minus 10 divided by 3 whole power 10. So this would come as 12c10 into the value of 1 whole power 12 minus 10 would be 1. Then here minus 10 divided by 3 whole power 10 would be 10 divided by 3 whole power 10. As we have even power for the negative sign, we get a positive value. So this is how we find the numerically greatest term. So make a note of the formula for the numerically greatest term is n plus 1 into mod x divided by 1 plus mod x, and the two conditions we have as if m is an integer, then we have two numerically greatest terms tm and tm plus 1, and if m is not an integer, then we have only one numerically greatest term, which is tm plus 1. So this was a basic introduction on how to find the numerically greatest term in the binomial expansion. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on binomial theorem on our website vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and have a nice day.